Hello, it's time for word work. Yesterday we did ending sounds D, 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 like at the beginning of dog. And we did ending sound M, 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 like the beginning of mop. Today we're going to work on two more ending sounds. We're going to work on ending sound F and ending sound G. Let's start with ending sound F. F makes the sound at the beginning of the word fan. Fan. Did you hear that first sound? F, F, F. F, F, F. Repeat after me. F, F, F. F, F, F. Fan. Fan. The letter F makes the sound F, like at the beginning of fan. To remember this sound, we're going to learn the sign language for the word fan. And while you're doing this sign, you can make the F sound F, F, F.
Fan, talking about a ceiling fan.
It doesn't seem to want to play the video. Oops, almost. There we go.
Fan, talking about a ceiling fan. Just move your hand like the fan is going.
Let's try that again. So you're going to take your finger and twirl it around like a ceiling fan. Just like that. And while you're doing it, make the F sound. F, 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 F. It almost sounds like a ceiling fan. F, 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 F. So the F makes the F, 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 F sound. Let's look at the letter G. G makes the sound at the beginning of the word goat. Goat. Do you hear that beginning sound? G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Repeat after me. G, 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 G. G, 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 G. Goat. Goat. To help us remember the sound that G makes, we're going to learn the sign language for goat, and I want us to make the sound while we're doing the sign. Now this video is very quick, so you have to pay attention. What she's going to do is she's going to make her hand look like the hairs on a goat's chin, and then raise that same hand up so it looks like the horns on a goat's head. So watch it the first time. And now you try it. And while you're trying it, make the G, G, G sound. G, 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 goat. G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G, G. G, G, G. So the G makes the G, G, G sound, and we can remember it because it's the beginning sound for goat. Let's look at some words together. Here we have a word that ends with G. It ends with the G, G, G sound. And it starts with the letter F. So we know it starts with a F, F, F sound. Let's sound it out together. F, I, G. F, I, G. F, I, G. F, I, G. Now let's blend it. Fig, fig, fig. You try it. I'll point to each letter and you sound it out on your own. Now blend it. Let's do it one more time together. Fig, fig. Good. Here we have another word that ends with a G, starts with a B sound. Let's sound it out together. Ag, ag, ag. Blend it. Bag, bag, bag. I'm going to point to each letter. You sound it out and then blend it. Let's do it one more time together. Ag, bag. Good. Now here we have a word that ends with the letter F. But look, it has two F's here together. When this happens, you don't go f. They blend together and you're only going to say the f, the F sound once. So let's sound it out together. If, 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 stiff, stiff, stiff. Remember the ST makes the st sound. If, stiff. Now I'm going to point to the letters and you sound it out. Blend it. Good. Let's do it together one more time. If, stiff. Again, we have two F's together, but we don't say f. We say f. Just one F sound. Puff, puff, puff. Blend it. Puff, puff, puff. You try it. Let's do it together one more time. Puff, puff. Let's look at a sentence together. My big dog Ruff likes to dig, wag his tail, and say woof, woof all day. How can I stop Ruff from barking so much? Do you see any words that end with a G sound? Say those words out loud to yourself right now. Let's look at it together. My does not end with a G, but big, big ends with a G. Let's sound this word out together. Dog, dog, dog. That makes sense too. If I'm using my eagle eye strategy, I can see that there's a picture of a dog here. Doesn't end with a G, doesn't end with a G, doesn't end with a G. Oh, here's another one that ends with a G. Let's sound it out together. Sound it out with me. D-ig, d-ig, d-ig. Dig, dig. Here's another one that ends with a G. W-ag, w-ag, w-ag. Wag. And that makes sense also because I know that dogs wag their tail. See, I don't see any here. Don't see any here. Oh, here's an interesting one. This is a long word. I think we can figure it out though. I'm going to use a strategy. I'm going to chunk this word. I'm going to say this first. B-R. I know when AR together they make the R sound. B-R. Bar. Bar. And now I'm going to go on to the next chunk. K-ing. K-ing. Bar king. Bar king. Bar king. Barking. So those are my words that end with a G sound. What about the words that end with an F sound? Look for the words that end with an F sound and read them to yourself. Did you find any words? Let's look together. My big dog. That ends with an F sound. Let's sound it out. R-uff. 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 Rough. 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 And I know it's the name of the dog because I see it has a capital R. So I know it's a name. My big dog, Ruff, likes to dig, wag his tail, and say, oh, here we have another word that ends with an F. Let's sound it out together. Remember that two O's together make the oo sound. W-oof. 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 Woof. 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 And that makes sense because I know dogs say woof woof. How can I stop? Here we have Ruff again. From barking so much. Oh, that was some good detective work. I think we found all the words that end with a G sound or an F sound. Let's try making some new words. Let's start off by making some words that end with the letter F. So we just had the word woof that we did together. What happens if I change that W to an H? Let's sound it out together. Oof. 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 Hoof. 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 Do you know what a hoof is? A hoof is like what a pig or a goat or a horse has at the end of their feet. What if I change that H to an R? This word is a little strange. It still has the ending sound of F. R-oof. R-oof. Roof. Roof.